Students, let us proceed further to the next problem, which says Dr. Yo-Yo is a dentist who schedules all her patients for 30 minutes appointment. Okay, each appointment is given for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, for example, some of the patients take more or less than 30 minutes depending on the type of dental work to be done, and the type of dental work are given in the alongside. So that is filling, crown, cleaning, extraction, and checkup. So these are the various categories. The following table shows the categories of work, their probabilities, and the time actually needed to complete the work. Okay, the actual time is given to complete the respective work. And what we need to do, we need to simulate the dentist clinic for 4 hours. मीन्स नेक्स्ट 4 hours में उसके पास क्या क्या पेशेंट्स आएंगे और क्या क्या काम कराएंगे, दैट वी नीड टू सिमुलेट. एंड व्हाट वी नीड टू डिटरमाइन द एवरेज वेटिंग टाइम फॉर द पेशेंट्स एज वेल एज डॉक्टर, idleness of the doctor. That means let us assume that you are going to a clinic. Okay, it's a practical example. Let us say you are going in the clinic and you are waiting in the line for your number to come. So how much amount of time you will be waiting for your service? Okay, that is the average waiting time for the patients. And on the other way around, sometimes you go in the clinic and you found there is no one in the clinic and doctor is free. That means till the time you go in the cabin, the doctor is free or doctor is idle. So we need to find out both the possibility. One in which there will be average waiting time for patients, and in one will be idleness of the doctor. Assume that patients show up at a clinic exactly at their scheduled arrival time, and the clinic starts at 8 a.m. and you need to use the following random numbers for handling the above problem. And the random numbers are 40, 82, 11, 34, 25, 66, 17, and 19. So can someone, okay, let me give you again 5 minutes to make the table for random numbers. So take 2 to 3 minutes and form the random numbers range table for the following case. Okay, so it was enough time for filling the table for just 5 readings. So let me display the answers. So yes. The category given to us was filling, crown, cleaning, extraction, and checkup. The time in minutes were given as 45, 60, 15, etc. And the probabilities are 0.4, 0.15, 0.15, 0.1, and 0.2 respectively. And now as we need to find out the cumulative probability, what we need to do, the first one will be as it is 0.4, then it will be getting added. 0.4 plus 0.15 gives 0.55. 0.55 plus 0.15 gives 0.7, 0.7 plus 0.1 gives 0.8, and 0.8 plus 0.2 gives 1. So again we are correct in our calculation part because the sum of all the probabilities is coming out to be 1. Next column is to find out the range. So as it is starting, as it is ending at 0.4, our random number range will be from 0 to 39. Next will start from 40 and go up to 54. The next one will be from 55 to 69. The next one will be from 70 to 79. And the last one will be from 80 to 99, covering all the 2-digit numbers between 0 and 99. So any doubts in this random number range table?
No doubt.
Okay. So let us proceed further for the simulation for next 4 hours of the clinic or for the dentist. So can someone give me what will be my starting table of that particular simulation?
Timing, sir. First time.
Very good, perfect. It is said that the clinic starts at 8 a.m. and we need to simulate the clinic for the next 4 hours. That means from 8 a.m. to 12 noon we have to simulate the clinic times. So you can see here I have made a table wherein we need to have patient numbers. Why patient number? Because they are given that every patient, okay, it is given in the question that every patient is given an appointment 30 minutes. Okay, so there will be how many patients there? There will be 8 patients in 4 hours because every patient is given scheduled time of a gap of 30 minutes in between. So yes, the first scheduled time. Okay, the clinic starts at how much?
8 a.m.
Yes,
8
the
a.m.
clinic starts at 8 a.m. So what will be the next scheduled time for the second one?
8:30.
8:30.
Yes, it will be 8:30. The next will be 9, then 9:30, 10,
10,
10:30, 11 and 11:30.
11.
Okay, because at 12 the clinic will be closed and we have simulated for 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah. Now random numbers. Next column is
Sir.
random number. Yeah.
सर एक और कॉलम
फोर
आना
आवर्स
चाहिए
ना तो
हाँ, तो 12 बजे
11:30
तक
to
आएगा।
12 एक पेशेंट होगा सर।
नहीं होगा ना,
नहीं,
12
नहीं,
नहीं 12 का उसको अपॉइंटमेंट मिलेगा क्या, पहले मुझे वो बताओ।
नहीं मिलेगा सर, 11 11:30 से 12 तक का एक अपॉइंटमेंट
हाँ।
चलेगा, उसके बाद
देखो 11:30 से 12 तक उसका ट्रीटमेंट चलेगा ना, 12 के
अच्छा,
बाद
हाँ।
उसको कोई अपॉइंटमेंट ही नहीं देना, उसका क्लिनिक 12 बजे तक ही खुला है। सो द लास्ट अपॉइंटमेंट टू बी गिवन विल बी एट 7:30।
यस
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रैंडम नंबर। सो रैंडम नंबर में आ जाएगा हमारा 40, 82, 11, 34, 25, 66, 17 and 79. Now the main thing starts. Okay, just observe random number 40. Okay, so random number 40 lies in which range? It lies in this range of 40 to 54, and because
Yes, sir.
it is lying in the range of 40 to 54, that means that patient has come for this particular treatment, that is crown. And for this crown category, the time required will be 60 minutes. So I will write down time required 60. And similarly for other events, let us say the random number is here is 82. 82 lies in this particular range, and the category will be he or she has just come for dental checkup, and it will be over only in 15 minutes. So I have written here 15. So similarly, I will proceed further with all this time required. Clinic for the dentist for the next 4 hours. और क्वेश्चन में हमको ये भी बोल दिया है कि द पहला पेशेंट जो आएगा या क्लिनिक जब खुलेगा, द शेड्यूल टाइम फॉर क्लिनिक ओपनिंग इज 8 AM. तो मेरा पहला पेशेंट जो आएगा वो कब आएगा? 8 AM को आएगा, बराबर। द नेक्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट, क्वेश्चन में ये भी बोल दिया कि हर आधे घंटे से हमने अपॉइंटमेंट दिया है पेशेंट्स को। So next appointment will be of 8:30, then 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11 and 11:30 will be the last appointment, because जो भी काम होगा 11:30 और 12 के बीच में होगा, और 12 को क्लिनिक बंद हो जाता है, तो 12 को किसी को अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलेगा। दैट मीन्स हमारा सिचुएशन 11:30 पे खत्म हो जाएगा फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर डे। रैंडम नंबर्स गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, वो तो हमको डायरेक्टली कॉपी करना है, 40, 82, 11 एक्सेट्रा। नाउ वी हैव टू सी this random number 40 lies in which range? So it lies in this range 40 to 54. तो अगर 40 to 54 में मतलब जो पेशेंट आया हुआ है वो काय के लिए आया हुआ है? क्राउन करवाने के लिए आया हुआ है, और उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड बाय द डॉक्टर टू ट्रीट हिम और टू डायग्नोज हिम और टू do the things which is crown, which will be 60 minutes. So I will just write here 60 minutes. So you can see here 60 minutes is written. Let us take another example. Let us say for this one 25. So if random number is 25, 25 lies in this range 0 to 39. That means the patient has come for this activity, that is filling, and the doctor takes 45 minutes to do this activity. Hence I have written here 45. Now any doubts?
No, sir. Jazakallah.
Okay. Now let us proceed further for time in and time out. Now, as the patient is first, what will be the timing? Just by pure logic.
8 बजे आ रहा है और 60 मिनट ले रहा है,
नहीं,
तो
टाइमिंग
सेकंड
बताओ,
पेशेंट को
सिर्फ
8:30
टाइमिंग।
बजे
पहले सिर्फ टाइमिंग।
8
Yes.
आठ।
The timing
8.
will be 8, and he requires 60 minutes. So what will be time out?
9
9.
9.
Okay. अब नेक्स्ट पेशेंट को 8:30 को अंदर जाना था, बट वो जा पाएगा क्या?
नहीं,
9
नो
नहीं जा पाएगा, बिकॉज फर्स्ट वाले का ट्रीटमेंट ही 9 तक चल रहा है, बराबर।
yes sir.
हाँ
It means the next patient will go inside at 9 AM.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
yes
Because I have written here 9. Okay. Now, these patients go inside at 9 and he take 15 minutes for the treatment. So, at how much time it will come out?
9:50.
9:50
It will be 9:15. And now let us go for the next column also. What will be the waiting time for the patient?
30 minutes.
minutes
Yes, The scheduled
30
time,
minutes.
उसको हमने scheduled time क्या दिया था? The appointment is of 8:30, but वो अंदर कब गया? वो अंदर गया 9 बजे. So he has to wait for 30 minutes to go inside. Hence, I will write the 30 minutes in the waiting time for patient. And what will be ideal time for doctor?
0.
Ideal time for doctor will be 0 because doctor तो busy है, doctor तो काम कर ही रहा है, doctor free नहीं है. So I will write a dash or a 0 here. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, now let us proceed further. Now this patient will come out at 9:15. That means this patient will go in at 9:15. Okay. And when this patient goes at 9:15 and requires 45 minutes of treatment, so at how much time he will come out?
10.
Yes, it will come out at 10. Now give me waiting time for patient.
15.
Yes, you have to compare this column with this column. 9 बजे का उसका scheduled appointment था, but वो 9:15 बजे अंदर गया. That means he has to wait for 15 minutes. So I will write 15. And as there is waiting time of patient, there cannot be waiting time for doctor. Doctor is continuously busy. So I will put a dash here. So let me give you 5 minutes to complete this table with the same logic which we have now discussed. So let me proceed further. So we were till here, wherein the third person or the third patient will be coming out at 10, and because this is coming out at 10, this will go inside at 10 a.m. And it requires 45 minutes of work, so it will be coming out at 10:45. And the waiting time, if you observe 9:30 and 10, there is a difference of 30 minutes, and there will be a dash here. Then similarly, this person comes out at 10:45, so this will go inside at 10:45, and again the time required is 45 minutes, so he will come out at 11:30. Okay, and the waiting time, if you observe here, from 10 to 10:45, that means it will be 45 minutes. Next, out time for this 11:30, so this will become in time for this person, that is sixth person, and the time required is 15 minutes, so he will come out at 11:45, and the time the patient has to wait will be 10:30 to 11:30, so it will be 60 minutes. This comes out at 11:45, so this will go in at 11:45 and requires 45 minutes of attention, so it will be 12:30, he will be coming out. Then the coming out time for this is 12:30. Oh, sorry, before that, the waiting time, scheduled time was 11, goes in at 11:45, waiting time is 45. Now this is waiting time out for the 7th candidate or 7th patient, so this will become time in for the 8th patient, and requires 45 minutes of attention, so the last patient will come out at 1:15, having a waiting time of 11:30 to 12:30, that is 60 minutes, and the doctor is still not free. Okay, so in the question it was asked that find out the waiting time or ideal time for the patients. So we have already found out for each patient the waiting time, and also it was asked to find out what is the ideal time for doctor. So you can observe in this, the ideal time for doctor is dash, or you can say it as 0. So I will write the answer as the waiting time for the doctor is 0, and waiting time for each patient is already mentioned in the table. So with this, we have completed the problem which was given, and we have also found out what are the requirements of the problem. Thank you.